Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what you can do if you want to plant something else. But you've already planted it and it's still going to take like hours for it to grow. And yeah, you just want to plant something else right now. Just take out your tablet here and don't select the planter, but select the plant and press V and it's going to go in your inventory. You are able to plant it again later. So don't worry, it's going to go in your inventory as this. So it's going to continue growing. It's still going to take just 2 hours, by the way. It's not going to start from the beginning. So yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.